Hi, I'm Vera. I work as HR Administrator at ITES. I regularly navigate to the same transactions and I want to learn more about the shortcuts available in SAP.
The SAP system associates technical names with transactions. Every transaction or function in the system has a unique technical name referred to as a transaction code or T-code. This slide depicts some transaction codes and their names. Transaction codes can be used to provide a more direct route for launching transactions than navigating the standard SAP tree. The first step in working with transaction codes is learning which codes are used for the transactions you want to perform.
In the SAP Easy Access screen, Vera can view transaction codes by setting the option to have the codes displayed on the SAP standard tree structure. She clicks Extras on the menu bar and selects Settings from the drop-down list. This opens the Settings dialog box. She clicks Display Technical Names and then clicks Continue, Enter. The system will then collapse the SAP standard tree structure. As she navigates through the tree, she will see the transaction codes next to the transactions. Vera can double-click on any transaction code or name to launch that transaction.
Click SAP menu. Click Human Resources. Click Personnel Manager. Click Administration. Click HR Master Data. The transaction PA30 may. Clicking back, PA30 is now entered in the transaction box. Click Enter. Using transaction codes provides another option for navigation in the SAP system. Vera finds that she can enter a transaction code in the command field to go directly to a transaction or function from the Easy Access screen. With this method, transactions can be accessed without navigating the SAP standard tree structure.
The command field includes a command list that holds several of the transaction codes most recently accessed via the command field. This allows for those transactions to be easily accessed again at a later date. To display this history, Vera will click on the command list. She can click on a transaction code from the list and that code will populate in the command field. She can then click Enter to launch the transaction.
If you were to enter a transaction code by itself in the command field on any screen other than the Easy Access screen, you would not be able to launch that transaction. However, if you enter a slash along with the appropriate command and transaction code, you can launch transactions from other transaction screens. This is helpful because you can go directly from one transaction to another without having to return to the Easy Access screen. /n and /o are examples of slash commands. You can end a session using /n. You can use /o to start another transaction in an additional session in one step.
Using a slash command without indicating a transaction code in the command field has additional functions. Entering /o in the command field and clicking Enter will show an overview of the sessions you currently have opened. Entering /n in the command field and clicking Enter will end the current transaction.